Okay, welcome back everyone. Hopefully by now you've all had a go at the introduction question. So let's see what we're learning about today. So our first activity, we're going to use Charlie Crocodile. Remember, he likes to eat the bigger number. So we're going to compare the durations of time. So we need to either write less than, greater than, or equal to in the boxes here. So the first question says 50 minutes or 1 hour. Which one is bigger? Now, I know that in 1 hour, there are how many minutes in 1 hour? There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So if I know that 1 hour is the same as 60 minutes, what is bigger, 50 minutes or 60 minutes? Where is Charlie Crocodile going to go? Of course, 60 is bigger, so Charlie Crocodile is going to eat 1 hour. Okay, so this one, a quarter of an hour or 15 minutes. So I need to work out how many minutes is in a quarter of an hour. So I know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. So then half an hour must be 30 minutes. So then quarter, you half it again. So what is half of 30? That's what quarter of an hour is. Half of 30, well, that's 15. So I've got 15 on this side and 15 on this side. So what sign goes in the middle? Of course, it's the equal sign. They are the same. For the last one, we have half an hour or 25 minutes. So again, how many minutes are there in half an hour? In 1 hour, I have 60 minutes. So in half an hour, how many minutes are there? What is half of 60? I know half of 60 is 30. So I have 30 on this side, 25 on this side. Which number is bigger, 30 or 25? Of course, 30 is bigger, half an hour. So Charlie Crocodile's going to eat that one. So we've got a teacher here. He's saying to the students, you've got half an hour left. So what's the time at the moment? The time is 1 o'clock. They have half an hour left. That means they have half an hour longer. So we know that we go halfway around the clock. We could go to the beach in half an hour. That takes 55 minutes. Have we got that long? So they have half an hour left. So do they have 55 minutes? What do you think? Let's count and see how many minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. They only have 30 minutes. So can they go to the beach? That takes 55 minutes. Can they go? They can't go. There's not enough time. They only have 30 minutes. What about this one? We could play a board game. That takes 35 minutes. Have we got that long? So let's count. Let's see. Where will we end up if we get to 35? Can you count in fives with me? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Oh, 35. It was close, but we don't have enough time. What else? We could read a book. That takes 25 minutes. Have we got that long? Let's see. Let's count in fives. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Perfect. It finishes here before the time is up. So yes, they can read a book in that time. We could go to the park. That takes a quarter of an hour. Have we got that long? So how many minutes are in a quarter of an hour? Can you remember? There are 15 minutes in a quarter of an hour. So let's count 15, see if we have enough time. So if we're around a quarter, 5, 10, 15. Brilliant. We have enough time. The minute hand will only get to the 3. We have until the 6th. Perfect. So this timetable here shows the start and finish times of some radio programs on TV. So we've got sing along, we have dance, we have story time. So this is the start, the time that it started. This is the time that it finished. We have 20 past 10, 11:30, 25 past 1 that it started, that finished at 10:30, 11:45, and 1:45. Which program's the longest? How do we work out which one is the longest? I think we need a clock for that. Which program's the shortest? How do we work that out? I think we need to look at a clock. So we need to work out how long each activity lasts. So if I start with sing along, I know it starts at 20 past 10. There it is on my clock. And it's going to finish at 10:30. So we need to count in 5s till we get to 10:30. Are we ready? 5, 10. So it's taken 10 minutes because now it's at 10:30. So the next one, dance fun, that starts at 11:30. That looks like this. It finishes at 11:45. So when it's 11:45, the minute hand is going to be on the 9. So can you count in 5s with me until the minute hand gets to the 9? 5, 10, 15. It takes 15 minutes. Okay, finally, what about story time? So it starts at 25 past 1. Here it is. Finishes at 1:45. So again, when the minute hand gets to the 9, we need to count. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20. It takes 20 minutes. So if this takes 10 minutes, this takes 15 minutes, this takes 20 minutes, what's the shortest? Oops. I know that sing along is the shortest. It's only 10 minutes. The longest is story time. That takes 20 minutes. That's the biggest number. So what you're going to do for me today is you're going to continue to use your clocks, count in 5s, look at where it starts, look at where it finishes, and you're going to do some activities about it. If you're finding it difficult, please don't worry. We're going to do more practice in school, but really try and count in 5s. That will help you to work out the time. So if you're feeling not very confident, choose challenge 1. If you're feeling a little bit happier, choose challenge 2. And if you're feeling very happy and you're very confident in telling the time, choose challenge 3. I will be around if you have any questions. Please message me on Dojo. Please fill in the last question that tells me how you found the lesson. Have a lovely day. Bye.